Prince Carlo, Maricor's charm, gifted talent, the real thing. Words of joy from the outside, thrill of victory in the middle, sabor di champagne Ribaldo. And entry number 2, Yotero, Prince Carlo, words of joy. Moving up by Darrell is entry number 4, thrill of victory, gifted talent, sabor di champagne alongside Maricor's charm. The real thing is racing in 7th position as they round the 3/4 mile stands. Words of Joy 3A followed by number 3 Savory Champagne. Thrill of Victory Danori inside Prince Carlo Maricor's Charm. The real thing is racing in 6 by the gifted talent Rivaldo and Jotero. Passing the half mile post, Savory Champagne is now the leader. Followed by 3A Words of Joy, Thrill of Victory, Prince Carlo. The real thing is racing in between runners Rivaldo's Maricor's Charm, Gifted Talent Jotero. Rounding the far turn, Sabori Champagne by 3/4 of a length. And moving up on the outside, Prince Carlo, Thrill of Victory, Maricor's Charm. And the real thing, as they race the final corner, number 3, Sabori Champagne, the real thing is moving up in the middle alongside Prince Carlo. Maricor's Charm on the further outside and by the Thrill of Victory. Entering the finish line, Maricor's Charm. From the outside, the real thing, Danori inside. Maricor's Charm, the real thing, Maricor's Charm. And finally, Maricor's Charm. The real thing, Sabori Champagne, Thrill of Victory, Prince Carlo, and Rival.